Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 232 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out this Makeup Revolution, the Emily Edit The Needs palette. Just take off this plastic because of that reflection of my ring light in the camera. So I got this from Ulta and I wanted to review it as soon as it came out, but I ordered it basically immediately on Ulta and it took so long to get here. But so this retails for $15 from Ulta.com and it's cruelty free. And this is the collaboration with Emily Noel, who is one of my favorite YouTubers. She is so sweet, so I'm so happy to be supporting her. But this palette seems so exciting. Let's go ahead and open it. Okay, of course, this packaging is so beautiful, so pretty. I love pink, so this is like very appealing to me. Oh my gosh, a huge mirror, which I really appreciate. And every product has the sweetest name, something that is considered a need in Emily's life. So it has courage, joy, gratitude, honesty, passion, love, like so many sweet, positive words and a message that's just so kind. And so I wouldn't do like a huge like swatching review and all that because Emily actually has videos on her channel doing that. But I just wanted to apply this, see how I like it, how it looks on me. I've never tried anything from Makeup Revolution, but all of these are a compilation of Emily's favorite Makeup Revolution shades. So this is such a great way for me to try out Makeup Revolution for the first time. So all I have on my face right now is my base foundation like that. And so what I think I'm going to start off with is adding some bronzing, some contouring with this Courage shade here. Okay, lots of kickback. I'm going to blow that away because I don't want it to ruin any of my other colors. Oh wow. This is a very like pigmented, warm toned bronze that is blending out so nicely. Wow. Ooh. I do really like that. That looks really nice on the skin. I like that this goes on super pigmented, but then blends out really easily. But wow, I really only need like a very light hand to apply this Courage shade. But so yeah, there's only one bronzing shade in here, but it does seem to be like a very great color that I would definitely wear on a daily basis. And then we do have this kind of neutral setting powder type of shade. This is called Kindness. And I'm just gonna cut that contour a little bit. This is a nice matte kind of neutral shade that is good for cutting a contour or setting some concealer. Next, I'll go in with this Joy shade for my blush. This looks like a very pretty, like natural flushed shade. Oh my gosh, the kickback on this palette is a lot. Wow. Such great pigment though. Ooh, wow, I used way too much and I thought I only took a little bit. Wow, let's go a little lighter on this side. And this mirror here is awesome. This blush shade is beautiful. It's a very natural, almost more like a bronzed sun-kissed type of blush. But ooh, so pigmented, I applied way too much. Top it off with a little bit of that kindness shade and tone it down. Now I'm so excited to go in with this highlighting shade. Oh, this looks so pretty. It looks like a rosy gold silver. It's like a mix of all three colors. Oh yeah. I love this type of color for a highlighter. And did I mention that this is called Gratitude? This gives such a beautiful glow to the skin. That's nothing like too crazy. Like I feel like I can go in with a pretty heavy hand and it's not going to look too blinding and unnatural. It just looks so glowy, and oh my gosh, this looks amazing on the skin. It looks so smooth. Wow, it's like I don't even have pores right here. It's so pretty. Wow, okay, so those are the face products, and I feel like it did add beautiful glow, dimension, just kind of like a natural, pretty effect to my face. Aside from the fact that there is a lot of blush on my face, still I really like all of these products so far. Now we get 6 different eyeshadow shades, and we have, looks like these 4 are mattes. This one is very sparkly, and this one looks like it has some slight shimmer. So for today in my crease, I'm gonna go in with this Faith shade here, this kind of a warm sienna brown. Whoa. The pigment here is so good. I was going to go in with an eyeshadow primer, but to try this product to its full extent, I'm just going to try it out without the primer and know that it can really only look better with my Urban Decay Primer Potion. But if a product can look beautiful without it, that says even more. Wow, that color is so pigmented. It blends out amazingly. So easy. I think as my all over the lid shade, I feel like all of these colors are so wearable. I'm just gonna go in with this Peace shade here, which is just like a matte beige shade. And this is just creating like such a beautiful, natural, like any time of day, any occasion eyeshadow look. I really understand why this is called the Needs palette, because it really does have like everything you'd need to achieve pretty much any look that you could want. Now I like to build up my outer V with a darker shade, so I'm going to go in with this shade here. This is Hope. And I know this is going to be pigmented, so I'm going to try and go in with a lighter hand. Wow, now this is a quick and easy eyeshadow look that I could just do in the morning. It's so easy, but I feel like it does just like make me look pulled together, like I put in a little bit of effort. But there really are so many uses and combinations that I could do with these colors. And let's just finish this eye look off with some of the Gratitude highlighter on my brow bone. And a little bit in the inner corners. I like to use one of the eyeshadow shades as an eyeliner, so I'm going to go in with this Hope Brown as well on my lower lash line. And you know what? If this is all I had, I could easily use one of these colors in my eyebrows too. Okay, so here's my finished makeup look using the Emily Edit Needs palette, and I am so happy with every product in here. They are so pigmented. There is a lot of kickback and it gets very messy, but I just was able to blow off all of that extra product and keep it looking nice because I love this palette and I want to keep it in great condition. I knew that Emily Noel would not disappoint, so I'm so happy I have this. I'm definitely going to be using this very often because it's so quick and easy to get a very pretty look that's so almost natural anytime type of makeup look. As a spoiler alert, I did pick up her other palette, the Emily Edit Wants eyeshadow palette, which I'm so excited to try out. That one looks so gorgeous and I can't wait to play with it. So look forward to that in a future video. Let me know in the comments down below your thoughts on this product. I know that this has been a very popular product and I think a lot of people have already tried it out. So I'd love to know your thoughts, what your favorite products are from this, how you like to wear it. Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.